Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Panini Limited box break number 19. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Starting the box is NE191052 956. That's NE191052 956. So before we get on the break, I just have a little announcement. We're doing a live case versus case break on Blog TV Sunday night. You can go to our website and join up to the break. I posted a link to the YouTube video I created just to explain how to register on our site and how the group break works. Like I said, it's a case versus case break. 60 bucks a spot and 57 each for any additional spot. We're giving away a free tin of Dominion to those that are in participating in the break. But it's for the winning case, so we're just measuring who has the best hit out of each case and just comparing the two. And so then what happens with the Dominion tin is the cards are randomized into everybody that's in that break, so you get a chance of winning a pretty cool card. And also we're giving away a free box at limited to those that are in the break. So there's 56 spots to be randomized between all the 56 spots. And there's one lucky winner for that box as well. So if you're interested, just check out the YouTube video. I sent out the link in the email that you got the link to this break as well. So let's get on with this break. And good luck, everybody. There we go. Start off with the base card for the Blue Jackets of Derek Dorsett at 48 at a $2.99. We have a Phenoms hit for the Blackhawks of Brandon Bollig, $2.28 at a $4.99. We have a rookie redemption card. This card goes to the Rangers. And we have a limited travels card of Paul Coffey. This is going to be randomized at the end between the Oilers, the Penguins, and the Red Wings. I got 68 out of 99. We have a nice hit here for the Penguins. It's an authentic jumbo material patch card. 9 out of 10 of Marc-Andre Fleury. A nice hit for Pittsburgh. We have a trophy winners card for the Sharks of Joe Thornton. 33 out of 199. Then to finish it off, we have a short print base card for the Hurricanes of Jussi Jokinen. 37 out of 49. So just let me get the random set up 1 second. Edmonton, Pittsburgh, and Detroit. And randomize it 3 times. There's 1. 2. And 3. So that card goes to Detroit. So congrats to Detroit. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.